Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. I hope you're all doing well. We are with the lovely Paolo. If you want to give yourself a little bit of an introduction to the channel.
Nice to meet you, nice to meet everyone, thank you.
So if you can tell me a little bit about your page, Albufeira Paradise.
Yeah, thank you. Albufeira Paradise is a platform on Facebook, the biggest platform on Facebook in Albufeira Council, one of the biggest in all Algarve. And we have Instagram, we have TikTok, YouTube and Snapchat, Albufeira Paradise. We have more than 15 million every month,
Really
the
good.
platform, so it's still growing. So it's thank you to everyone to like our job. Thank you.
So make sure you guys check that out. So today we've got the pleasure of you showing us around this area, and you've lived here now 8 years?
Yes, I came from Italy 8 years ago. I am a former president of public company, and then I went to Lifestyle Beach, and Albufeira is the best city in Portugal to do the Lifestyle Beach. You know, it's March, and we have a perfect day for beach.
Yes, perfect day. So you're going to show us around, tell us where to go so our audience can make the most of their holiday in Albufeira. So yeah, let's see Wagwan. You guys all know the vibe. So we're currently in Old Town.
Yes, we are in Old Town. This is we will see the famous area called Triangle. When my friend, an example, Nuno S, maybe many of you know him, song 4 days per week,
Yeah.
from yesterday to 1st November.
Yeah.
So for me, this is the most funny point in Albufeira, in Portugal, during the night. So, and then you know, we have Old Town is good because it's not for us, because it's not too young people. No. An example, Aura of the Strip, call it the Strip, is very young people.
Yes.
Now here in Old Town, you have retired people for restaurant, hotels, and on your beaches, and you have the young people for not too young, over 30 years old,
Yeah.
for bars, you know, watching football, so walk with the families. Here Old Town is the perfect point, perfect spot for who want to enjoy Albufeira.
I agree. We love the Old Town because, like you said, it is very family focused. You've got your sort of mix between, you do have young, but it is older. As for if you go to the New Town, it is more focused on just the younger.
Yeah.
So you were saying about Nunes, who is a fantastic act. He usually plays sort of Vegas bar, doesn't he, around this sort of area? Where can people find him?
Yeah, Nuno is in Triangle area, or an example of Las Vegas bar. But I push for with many owners,
Yeah.
to have him for his gigs. And an example, my friends of YOLO Lounge,
Yes.
Nuno will be at YOLO Lounge every Thursday afternoon.
Ah,
Yeah.
perfect. We love YOLO Lounge, so yeah, do check that out. So every Thursday now he can be found
Yes,
there.
yes. YOLO Lounge, an example. But I don't want to talk just specific bars, because many Albufeira is beautiful in every corner.
Yes.
So you can find many bars, many places, beaches, street, enjoy life. You see many people now at sun. It's March, and for the British tourists, it's like summer.
It
you
is
know.
what it is. So for you, this is still quite chilly, but you've got your t-shirt on.
Yeah. But I think next week they will call. Hey, how are you? Good. The next week, the heat will coming.
Yeah.
We will have 30 degrees.
Oh wow.
So will be perfect.
Perfect.
Yes. So Albufeira is a perfect place to have fun, to have friends, to make friends, lovely people. And I want to say something very important for me.
Yeah.
Albufeira is not a dangerous place. It's a safe place. I want to explain this. we receive we are 50,000 residents.
Okay.
But we receive 500,000 tourists in August, just only in 1 month, more than 3 million in all year. So if someone fight, an example, is very few people,
Yeah.
but the social media spread the bad behaviors, and my social media, Albufeira Paradise, just focus in the good things.
Yes.
I know sometimes have a fight, but I don't want to spread this because it's just few people. It's just more than just to want clickbait.
Yes.
You know, the other page want clickbait, not me. So I want to focus just in the good things.
I agree. That's the same as our channel. We like to just focus on the positives. And again, we've been here so many times and we've never come across anything or felt like we've had to be sort of uneasy or in any way, shape or form. So it's definitely a family place. And again, anywhere you're always going to get the odd thing, but it definitely isn't something to be concerned about. And if you do see a story in a tabloid, it is, like you said, a rare occurrence and it is for clicks. So just ignore, check out Albufeira Paradise, check out Wagwan Tours and you'll see the real story.
And love Albufeira because it's a lovely place, amazing place, and enjoy Albufeira. And the social media need to be responsible and just to talk about the truth.
Yes.
Not spread lie or spread just for searching clickbait or sensational news. Just stab.
Yeah.
No. Say the truth.
Good place, good beaches, good food, like I said, good service. You're going to have a good time. We are actually just coming up to YOLO Lounge, and as you can see, absolutely rammed. We definitely recommend visiting this location. You've got all the levels, haven't you? So it's really nice in the evening. They do brunch, really nice lunches. So it's a lovely little spot, and it leads just onto the square. Where else would you say is a great place to go if you're coming here with your family to have a nice bite to eat?
Yeah, I like an example here, this corner.
Yeah.
But you have the tunnel area to go to the beach to drink a coffee in front of the sea. So we have the perfect balance between the good weather, the good beaches, good atmosphere. So really, Albufeira is a perfect place to not only for tourists, but to living during all the year long.
So all year round. So
Yes.
we've just come towards the sort of beginning of the season for the tourists.
Yeah.
So obviously at the moment, would you say it's busy or?
No, it's not too busy this year because the war in so spiked the price, the oil price, and the inflation. The people maybe have fear to travel now. But Portugal is one of the most safer place around the world. So Albufeira is a perfect place for you to come
Family,
with your family or just enjoy your life.
Yeah.
It's a safe place, so enjoy Albufeira and Portugal in general.
I agree. So we are coming into the sort of holiday season for the UK. So do book your tickets. It is worth a visit, even for a long weekend, week, 10 days, or if you're lucky enough to stay longer,
yes.
like yourself.
Yes. Stop the rat race, left the rat race, and came to live in Albufeira.
I will just walk away from this music because
I just want to apologize for came from Italy. I am not so good in English. So try to understand, have patience to understand me.
No, you're absolutely fine.
How are you?
Hello. Say hello. So we've got a lady who works at YOLO Lounge. We were just saying how lovely it is and that you now have Nunas on Thursday afternoons as well.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's a great place to have food, drinks, and everything. Just have a good time.
I agree.
Yeah.
It is a lovely place.
Bye, guys.
Bye, thank you. So we're just walking sort of off the main square. We're walking round. And this part, you've got a lot more sort of like Irish bars and stuff.
Yes,
haven't you?
but I want to say that It's really different during the night because now you have many bars or restaurants closed, but because for the heat or timetable now is closed. But in the night is open. You have a light in every corner. Is some an example so you can see different. It's like Paris. Paris during the day and during the night is very different. So Albufeira is very good during the night.
I agree. During the night it comes live, and that little square where we started off, like Vegas bar, it will be rammed. The streets will be full. All the acts, everything.
The best hour to walk in Albufeira is between the 9 o'clock and 11 o'clock. Is perfect here in Old Town. Then after the midnight to the Aura Strip is have many bars. Enjoy. You can dance. You can drink until the 4 o'clock, and then go to some disco. Albufeira have the perfect balance for the holidays for young and the fathers, the grandfathers. So it's perfect.
It is perfect. Right, we're gonna get a drink. Let's go into this one. So this is the Three Hearts. So lovely roof terrace here. So we're going to finish off and have a nice drink. Hopefully you guys have seen that Albufeira is absolutely lovely. Don't forget to check out Paolo's page, Albufeira Paradise. We'll put all the links below. Is there anything else you want to say to the audience?
Thank you we have more than 20,000 followers from England. So and many Irish too. So thank you to everyone. I enjoy this video and came to Albufeira.
Thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.